In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix you cannot install this app because another user has already installed an incompatible version. So first head over to your settings. Then next is click on App List, App Settings, or App Management depending on your phone. Then click on App List. So say for example, that app is CapCut, so just click on the app. So the first option that you can do is head over to storage and cache and start clearing the cache and clear the storage too. Just click on the delete button. Then from there, see if the problem has been solved. Another option that you can do is by uninstalling the app. Just click on the uninstall button and proceed by deleting the app and data. But then if the uninstall button is not available and instead you see the uninstall updates button, head over and click on that. Then once the app is uninstalled, head back to the Play Store or wherever you downloaded it, then try reinstalling the new version. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!